Okay, last day what you have done?
Yeah, Java string.
The Java 8 features up to. Okay, no, the skin is not shared. Yes, now it is visible. Okay, just Java string. Okay, it is the Java 8 features, right?
The Java 8 features.
Okay, let me check what else in the Java 8 features. Mm, Okay, now another thing is now that parallel array sorting. Parallel array sorting. This is the new topic of Java 8 features. Okay, I'm giving you the example and little bit the theory. Okay, Java parallel array sorting is what? Parallel array sorting is Java provides a new additional feature in array that is which is used to sort array elements parallel. New method and access to Java util array package that use the and this method are called parallel sort method. Okay, I'm just giving you that example theory. This is a little bit theory about Java parallel array sorting. Okay, now let's start one example. Java parallel array sorting. First of all, make create one class. Yeah, just create new class. জানতাম পছন্দ করবে। Okay, now save and run. Yes, 581069 and after sorting 015688. It is ascending order. Okay, now next is next another simple example, same example that array sorting example. Create one class. Oh, import the yes. This 581069 50 মাসে একটা sorting this. Yeah. Parallel sort, that is the main method, and arrays is the object. So object dot method, the parameters method array 0. Sorting array elements parallel and passing start. Yes, parallel sort. Okay, so now move to the next. Okay, now Java 8 type reference. Type reference is the new Java 8 features. Type reference. Okay, so what is actually type reference? Type reference is a feature of Java which provides ability to compiler to look at each method invocation and corresponding declaration to determine the type of arguments. Okay, so basically its work is to check the compiler whether that each method is invoked or not. Each method invocation, checking the invocation actually. This is the main thing of type reference. Okay, now this is the little bit theory about the Java type reference. Note it down.
Okay. I just want to know.
Yes.
Yeah, before we just sorting done in ascending order. If we are done in descending means 50 to mean starting 50 and ending 0 is
Mhm.
possible.
No, no, it is not possible because it has by default it is sorting from small to big actually by default.
Small 2 means lower to upper.
Yes, yes, that means lower to upper by default.
Okay.
Okay, now next type reference example. You just create one class, normal class. Just check the add method actually. Yeah, hover on the error. Let's see what is there. List. Okay, first of all, save this. Then let's. No, I don't think it will run because it is showing the errors. This add actually. So okay, so additional environment string argument is fine. Yeah, add method should work actually. No. Import content style. And then mission white solution. No, it is fine because line number 15, it is add some problem. Mm. Okay, once give me control. Manage to publish to- Okay, just 1 minute, let me see in my system. Wait, just wait for 1 minute. I am just checking in my system. Okay, here just stop the screen sharing. Let's see. Here, publisher invite show list, list integer list. This is the generic type. If in for each method, system.println list is empty or the main method actually, and then again the generic method list one is the object. List one dot add 11, and again list two dot add 12. List two is the second object. List one is the first object, and after that, then show list list two. Because 11, 12 and list is empty. Because there is no list, so that's why it is printing list is empty. 11, 12 and list is empty. It is list one is printing and list two is printing. 11 and 12 and list is empty. That is the thing. Okay, Abdul, again just delete this and again doing this. Okay, share the screen. Yeah, Abdul, share the screen and doing it. Abdul, share the screen again. Delete this and again do this. No, delete three lines also. Delete two lines actually, not three lines. Two lines. Yes. again, but I am sharing again. See this, I am again shared. Nah, why the ad is not? I understand. Because in my system, ad is completely fine. But okay, the add argument to match add intent here. Just click on this. Let's see what happens. Okay, now add this again. Save and run. Index 11 size 0. Okay. Index out, this is one exception occur, index out of bound exception. Okay, let me see what is the problem. Going to the next program. Okay, first of all, just create one class generic class X. Okay. And do the next Example. Okay, leave this. Create new class. Yes. Let me check later. Take the brackets. No, no, no. Type just give type reference one. Just give the type reference one instead of calculate. No, 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 not this. Instead of calculate only. Yes. Calculate, calculate. Next in line number 8. Line number 8. Class CLS equals to yes. Import method. Hmm. আমরা রিলেন Java.lang reflect method is actually not there. The input Java.lang reflect method is okay. It's fine. Instantiating class. 1 minute. Instantiating.
Hello.
Yes.
I don't know. There is one.
1 minute. Just class space CLS. Give the class space CLS.
Class space.
CLS. Class and space, then CLS. Yes. And instead of type reference, just give the calculate because it is the yes, class CLS is fine. Now instead of type reference, just give the calculate. Okay, I am again sharing the code actually. Just delete the code. Yeah, delete the code up to publisher. Yes. Okay. And also delete the brackets. Then okay. Now do that. Yeah, instead of parameter reflection, give type reference one. Okay, import the method. Okay, you don't actually you don't write the whole code. Again, see the chat box. No, no, not, don't do anything. This is not a error. Import the method. Okay, method is already there. Import parameter. See, stop share screen. I am again sharing. Stop share the screen. See, this is the class. This parameter reflection, or whatever the class you give the name. So in main method, then again I am getting the object. Calculate is the object. After that, class CL is equals to calculate dot get class. So I have to initiating the class. So that's why class CL is equals to calculate dot get class. Then after the getting declared methods inside the calculate class, declare the method actually class dot get declare methods. Then again method two, it is the for each method. After that, method two dot get parameters. So I have to get the parameters. Returns and it returns the array of parameters. So that's why that means I have to get the parameters, all the parameters. Again, I have to create the for each method. This is the for each loop actually. Then system dot out dot println get parameters type. This is a string. See, what is the parameter type? The parameter type is the string. Return the type of parameter, and after that, parameter of get name. Return the parameter name actually. This is the argument. This is the parameter name. So this is the total program. And I am importing the two things, java.lang reflect method and java.lang reflect parameter. Understand? Okay. Now next, share the screen. Okay, now the next Java 8 features is Java repeating annotation example. Okay, just I am again share the whole code in WhatsApp. I am share this code in WhatsApp again, so you can later check what is the errors. I am sharing in WhatsApp. Just okay, I am giving the code in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I have sent. Then next is Java repeating annotation example. Next is repeating annotation example.
Can you repeat?
Yeah, Java annotation repeating example. Java annotation repeating example. Keep the class name this repeating annotation example I have shared in the chat box. And again do this. No, this is one kind of syntax actually. This is not a program. This is one kind of syntax. This is one kind of syntax. This is not a program. Actually, in this topic, there is no need to example. This is one kind of syntax. Okay, now next, just stop the screen sharing. Now we are starting. I'm just give you the example of how to create the backend and then how to create the database and JDBC, that is called Java Database Connectivity. The backend Java and the connectivity between Java and database. That is our next Java 8 features. That is called JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. The connection between Java and database, MySQL database basically. Okay, so okay, just do it. I need to share the full screen. Okay, so just delete this. I have already one JDBC example. Okay, so let's close this and again start this, the JDBC project. Okay, so first we just don't need, we first of all don't need to create that package com JDBC employee view and then employee service DAO, then com JDBC project. We don't need to create today. We just create one package, that is com JDBC project, and under that project com JDBC model, you can also create com JDBC model under the package name. First of all, create one project JDBC project. After that, under that project, create one package com JDBC model. Inside the model, just create one normal Java class, database connection dot Java. Just create one normal Java class, database connection dot Java. Inside that class, okay, what I have taken, first of all, database connection. I have given the class term database connection. Then connection, DB connection. It is a object and it is a method, DB connection. So, okay, so connection con equals to null. Con is the variable, con equals to null. After that, I am creating the try block, try and catch block for handling the exception. Inside the try block, class dot font name, this is the load the JDBC driver. This is the actual JDBC driver. Without this driver, you cannot establish the connection between Java and database. What is the name of the driver? com.mysql.cj jdbc.driver. This is the driver name actually. Class.font name com.mysql.cj.jdbc.driver. Next string URL, this is our URL and our URL name is new database. Okay, so our database name is new database. The database I have created in MySQL. Okay, and all of you have to know that it is the localhost 3306. By default, MySQL port number is 3306. And it is the JDBC MySQL localhost 3306/new database. This is my database name actually, new database that I have to create in this database. I have to connect new database. I have to connect with this Java code. This Java code will connect with the new database. This is our main agenda, main target. Okay, now string user root and string password. This is my MySQL user ID and this is my MySQL password. And this is the you give your password. Okay, now this is the connection. And after that, connecting the DBMS with Java. Our next process is connecting the DBMS with Java. There is a variable driver manager dot get connection. Driver manager one kind of class. It is the connection class driver manager dot get connection. Get connection is one type of method. Driver manager dot get connection. Then it is the parameter-based method. URL, user, and password is all the three parameters actually. URL, user, and password. And then inside the catch block exception, I have to print the message and then e.print status and then return con. I have to return the con, that object, and e means is the object dot method. Print status is the method what is the function of that finish actors? That is the very important question. That is actually finish actors actually checking whether this is in this code has error or not. If this code has any error, then it will check by this method finish actors. If there it is not here not checking the error, then it will find. So so this is the actual thing, the e dot pin stack test. So working, so the function of the pin stack test is whether the code has any error or not to check this thing. So this is the total code. So if I okay, first of all, let me open the database. Then that database name is new database. Okay, so I have to go to MySQL Workbench. This is my MySQL database tool. Welcome to MySQL Workbench. And then this is 3306 the by default port number of MySQL. Okay, I entered this. Okay, now this is the okay, so new database. I have to search new database. See, this is the new database I have already created. How to create? I am just showing you in your system. New database, and inside the database I have tables that is called employee. My table name is employee. See, this is the table. Employee ID, department, salary, and address. These are the 4 columns. Employee ID 1 to 12. These are the 12 employees and their respective department, their respective salary, and their respective address. Okay, so this is the one kind of database. So I need to print this database here. I need to print database here. Okay, so what can I do? I'm just write the code and I'm just simply run this code. See, loading the JD. So what is the steps? Again, I am telling loading the JDBC driver. Loading the JDBC drivers. The step 1, connecting the DBMS with Java. That is step 2. Creating and executing the statement. That is step 3. Con.create statement. Create and executing the statement. That is called step 3. And after that, processing and return data by DBMS. This is called step 4. This is the all the step 4 and step 5 close the connection. So we have to close the connection, that is called close 5. I mean step 5. So this is the total code actually.
Can you share that code on WhatsApp? Or
Yes, I'm sharing. Okay, so I think it is the root maybe. Let me check. Okay, pieces. Okay, not right now. See, this is the connection established. See, connection established. So that's why the connection has been established, and this is the employee ID, department salary, employee ID. All the things are printing here. Employee ID, department salary, employee ID, department salary, employee ID, department salary. All the things are actually printing here. It is the JDBC database. This database. See, one in the four IDs name Chiranthan, Priyanka, Dev, and Jeet. Department is Java, Python, MuleSoft, and Java, and salary. They're this. Okay, so this table I have to print here. See, this table I am printing. Chiranthan, Priyanka, Dev, and Jeet. These are the things. Okay, I am sharing this code in the WhatsApp. Not in the WhatsApp, I'm sharing this code here. First of all, see this code very carefully. Okay, I have given this code, and I am also sending this database to you. This database actually. And server export, data export, JDBC database. Documents done. Okay, start export. It is exported. Okay, then I need to share. Just keep this code today, and next day we will again discuss this code again, and I will set up in your system. Okay, just documents. It is done. Yes, this is the dump folder actually. And I need to create the zip of this. Yes. And I'm just sharing that zip file. And yes. Okay, check. I have shared in the I have shared the database in group. And also just let me know. Check me 24. Okay. And I am also shared the code in the WhatsApp also, so you can understand. Okay, so today is up to this. Okay, next day I will set up in your system. Okay, thank you all of you. And Abdul, just check
So,
the code I have given in the WhatsApp
okay,
and
okay.
and the database also. Okay, I think you don't have MySQL database, right?
Yeah, I don't have my skill.
Okay, so next day I will set up all the things.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.